I'm coating my lashes with mascara so I have a nice base for the lashes. Then I'm adding glue to the lashes. Apply more to the inner and outer corner so it doesn't pop off. We don't want that.
And it sounds the big one.
Using tweezers, I'm popping them in center first, then the outer corner, then inner corner. Apply slight pressure so it sticks to the skin properly. Clamp down on the lashes so it blends down with the natural lash to avoid spaces between band and the lash line.
And it sounds the big one.
Clamp down as much as you can, honey. Don't rush this stage because you want them perfect. Also, don't poke your eyes out. Add mascara to blend things together. Fix any mistakes. You can also clamp down some more. You want to make it as natural as possible. And that's it, you guys. That was pretty much it. I hope you guys like this. Thank you.